Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Hello everybody, welcome back to the PL-300 exam preparation series where we are looking at the first learning path, prepare the data. In this video, we are going to talk about the second topic of the section, get data from data sources, and this topic is change data source settings, including credentials, privacy levels, and data source locations. So this video has been divided into two parts. In this video, we are going to cover the data source settings and the data source locations. And in the second part, I'm going to cover the credentials and the privacy levels. Here you can see that we have an option called data source setting, and all the data sources that have been including in that particular file, the Power BI file, are visible here. And this is just a snapshot of a comma separated file. So here you can see that the source location, the location of the data source is also available, and we can go and we can change the location of this particular data source. So, and there are some other settings associated with this particular data source. So now let's go to Power Query Editor and see the settings for the data sources. Here I am inside the Power Query Editor, and inside the Power Query Editor I need to go and I will click on this area which represents the data source settings. So here if I go and click on this data source settings, so all the data sources which are available in this file, so we are using one of the files from an earlier video where we connected to two CSV files and two Excel files. So as soon as this window opens, you are seeing that we have the four files which are manager category.excel file, Maven market customers.csv, Maven market products.csv, and product cost Excel file. All the four files which represent the four data sources, these are available in this area.